Okay, we've done one video taking that tire off of that wheel, the struggles we had. Now that we've got a system set up here to use this I-beam farm jack, I call it. We're going to start and we're going to push the bead off on this wheel on the other side. Hopefully this one comes off. It's a newer wheel. Shouldn't be near as rusted. It did have calcium in it. But I am changing the system up just a little bit the way I did it. I'm using a chain binder this time for speed, for connecting the chain through there. We're going to push on the bead with this jack. So here we go. Just see how we do it. Get you set up here so you can watch. Get you aimed down into where we're at there. Get you, maybe move you a little bit closer. Pick a tree. Getting in my way. There you are. See how we do this. Of course, got all the air out of the tire, obviously. Okay, that got her jumped off there. I do that one more time, I think, and this will come off. Yes, sir, there it is. That broke that quick. It took 5 minutes to break that one. Yep, that was that quick. Can't big deal like that. Move your vision over, your view over here. Okay, there's one part of it. No, this you really can't do. Alright, no, we're good. There, that's pushing right in, knocking it right loose there. Yep. There it comes. There it is, bead broke. So that's breaking the bead on a tractor tire without having a hydraulic pusher. The only reason I don't have one, anybody can lend me one. I certainly wouldn't buy one, but this worked. So there's a innovative, cheap, inexpensive way breaking beads on your tractor tire, right there. Just use a I-beam farm jack. Put a chain around it, jack in against, push the bead off. Works every time. We took the nut and everything off of this inner tube stem here. Try and get it back up in there. Alright, that's out. Now we can get the inner tube kind of loose. One thing I am fortunate to have is these tire irons here to work with, that I can get stuff moved around in here. So, and use. Now, first thing you want to do is get this outside bead of the tire jumped over this rim. So what I'm going to do, it always helps to have lubricant. I don't have the tire grease that they typically have, but I've got PB Blaster white lithium grease. So that's what I'm going to spray in here so I can get some lubricant on there to get that to jump over. Helps getting them off. You really need it to put them back on, but it helps get them off too. When we did the other one, it really helped. Damn grease on it. So, push the bottom in so it'll go up and bring the top up. Start working it out over. How about that, dude? Almost like I knew what I was doing, huh? Almost.
Yeah.
I'm only guessing, as much as that split, we was running a tubeless tire there. Look at that. I didn't split that much now. Surely not. Just a ruined inner tube anyhow. But that don't matter, we ain't moving it over anyway. It ain't rusted too bad though. The other one was way worse. There it is, dude. One tire off. Now that wheel's not bad at all. I can clean that up and paint that wheel. That wheel's in real good shape. So there it is. What is that? Half hour, 45 minutes or so. Broke the bead, got the tube out, wrestled the tire off. Again, not saying this is the exact way to do it. If you're a professional, you probably zip them right off. This is the first time I ever took back tires off a tractor. Taking them off other stuff, but first time ever off a tractor. So I'm happy with that. I'm not too worn out this time. The last one wore me out pretty good. This one ain't bad, so we'll get them cleaned up, get them painted, get new inner tube put in there. I'll put the 16.938s on. We'll be ready to do some big time tractor pulling. Yeah, right. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.